Not the best performance, but I'm happy that I competed again. It's been a long time since I competed. Last year I didn't. This year I started the season and not so well because of injuries, and I'm happy that I competed at last, because until yesterday I didn't know that I will manage to compete today because again I got an injury in training on my biceps, and I'm lucky that I threw today, so I'm excited. At last I competed after 2 years. For now I have to wait and see if I will compete again, or I have to rest my hand because it's not good. It's so painful, and we have the World Championship next year. So maybe I will go home, nurse it, and then it's okay, and then come back again. We welcome the criticism. I've seen that, and when we do well, they are so happy. But then when we are not doing well, they always mock us. But then this is a competition. This is a very high standard competition. You can see, even the champions of 2019 and champions of last year, they were beaten in this competition, and we need to accept that is the spirit of sport. You win today, you lose tomorrow. That is the spirit of the sport. So I'm happy that people are making criticism, and when you make criticism, it is an open competition. You can as well compete for yourself and see how it is.